Welcome back to the channel, Exp0se. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, I want to send some strength for the family of female dancehall artist, Medikk. Now she has been missing, and with overwhelming support being shown on social media for her safe return, it seems as if people are now alleging that her abductors were known to her and that there was even video footage. Now, I'm making here from my manager and booking agent, Shelly and Quran, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Guys, so here we go. Medikk update. On Medikk Insight. This is day 5, and we don't know where she is. King Cardo, you're here. Great. Thank you. And King Cardo, other people are recording because they know how serious this is. We're not doing this for likes. We're doing this for the love. And there is a video. I am on the understanding, allegedly, but you know, once I talk, there is a video. There is a video. There is a video of Medikk being picked up. But hear this very important note. Please, guys, this is an important message. Listen. Make me want this video go viral because the abductors and the coordinator of the abduction needs to see this. The family still has hopes she is alive. The family wants Medikk returned, and they will not press or follow through with any charges. You see how a mother wants her child home. Social blogger, did you hear this? There's a message to the abductors and I need you to put it out. There is a video. Clean and clear. But the family still prefers to have their daughter returned. Just give Medikk to her mother. You go one side and we go one side. This is a message. Guys, I hope the message was delivered clearly. And they understand that there is a video. The family would prefer to have Medikk breathing
Now, with a post also put up on social media where somebody has say cheating might be a motive. Now while only situations like this happen and people say cheating is a motive, it is not a reason. It being a motive is not justification. A woman cheating is not justification for none of the crimes we see in the headlines in this day and age where domestic violence is concerned. So while infidelity, cheating, or bun, as it is popularly known on the Jamaican island, is definitely a contributor for domestic violence, it is not justification. And it always amazes me that on an island like Jamaica, where majority of Jamaicans are raised in a single parent household, and it's based on statistics. It's not just guess and spell or speculation. Based on statistics, most Jamaicans are raised in a single parent home. No, not in all instances are these single parent homes led by the mother. There are instances where fathers are single parents too. But a majority of these single parent homes are led by the mother. That should mean on an island like Jamaica, we shouldn't have these type of crimes. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Now, based on the fact that the artist booking agent has said that it has been reported to law enforcement, we know law enforcement definitely look into it. And of course now with social media being made aware of what take place, that will now help to bring awareness to the situation. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now some would say the state created this problem on themselves. More than 400 teachers have resigned from the public school system in recent days, with the state themselves saying a large chunk of that number submitting their resignation after collecting their August salary. Even though the main union representing them, the Jamaica's Teachers Association, is not supporting the sudden resignation, which it accepts could lead to chaos when the new school year begins on Monday. Yes, the new school year begins on Monday. We have a confirmed 900 teachers, 5 gone overseas, 4 couple days ago. Not to mention the others that have been leaving before. Teachers are saying that, well, not even teachers, principals for schools are saying that there could be a shortage of teachers when the school year begins. Some pointed out that spaces, there might be a shortage of space at schools. What go on? Well, the ministry says it as a solution, and that despite the amount of teachers leaving the field, they are saying that a large number of teachers have recently qualified, finished their studies, and are now qualified and ready to enter the workspace. So they must have enough new teachers teach the schools. Now, some people might say the experience and this and that, but they will have to work with them off at the moment. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as I pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love and prosper, I want to stay tuned.